we have to find if our curve is concave upward or concave downward at the given value. So we need to calculate the second derivative. So it means first we have to find the first derivative and the second. Next we have to calculate the value of the second derivative for x equals -2. And when we will get positive number, it means our curve is concave upward. When we get negative value, it means our curve is concave downward. So let's find the first derivative. So we have negative 2x to the power 4, so it will be negative 2 times 4 times x to the power 3 minus 4 times 3 to the power 2. So y prime is equal negative 8 x to third power minus 12x to power 2. So we have first derivative. Now you have to calculate the second derivative is negative 8 times 3 times x to second power minus 12 times 2 and times x. So this is equal negative 24x squared minus 24x. So now we can calculate the value of the second derivative for x equals -2. So this is equal negative 24 times -2 to second power. I just replace x by -2 minus 24 times -2. So this is equal negative 24 times -2 to second power is 4 plus because we have negative times negative will be plus, and 24 times 2 is 48. So this is equal negative 24 times 4 is equal negative 96 plus 48. So this is equal negative 48. We got negative number. It means our curve y is concave downward at the given value. So let me write this. Y is concave downward